Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing this chicken Parmesan. You can whip this up in about 15 minutes, great for a midweek meal. Few simple ingredients, you're gonna love this, so let me walk you through it. So we made a poll in our community tab asking you which recipes you like the most. And so desserts came in at 24%, but chicken came in at over 50%. So we're gonna make much more chicken recipes. So stay tuned. So what I've got here are a couple of chicken breasts, and I'm just gonna season this up with some salt and pepper. So what I've done is I've cut these in half so it's thinly sliced. So I'm just gonna flip these over and do the same thing on the other side. So what I've got here is my dredging station. And I got some flour, a couple of beaten eggs, and some panko breadcrumbs that I'm gonna season up with my Parmesan. I love Parmesan. And parsley. And this is about half a cup of breadcrumbs with 4 tablespoons of Parmesan. So what I'm going to do here is grab up my chicken and dip it in the flour, then our egg mixture, and then after that our Parmesan mixture. You see this? This is going to be so good. And we'll just set this aside on a plate. So what we're going to do is add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Place the chicken in, and we're going to fry this up for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And if your chicken breast is a little thicker, it might take a little longer. By the way, what kind of chicken grows on trees? Poultry. After 3 to 4 minutes, there you have it guys, our chicken Parmesan. This looks and smells incredibly delicious. So I'm going to serve this up with some stir-fried veggies on the side. And like, you can use potatoes, whatever you like. Okay, let's give this a taste test. This is so good, guys. I love the Parmesan, the spices. Just incredible. You've got to try this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there as usual. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.